What is up, people, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review we will test how to get the latest working Delta Executor for your Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android, your iOS devices, or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to Google and let's search Delta Executor blocks pen, just like this, guys. Search it on Google, click search and scroll down below until you find this get Delta Executor on blocks pen. Click there, guys. It will load up and then we will enter our Roblox username or our user ID. Guys, don't worry, because it's the only thing that we will actually enter here and it's our public info, so you don't have to worry. I will go with my username and click connect the server. It will start searching for our user account, guys, and you should get with this. So if it's your account, just click connect and we're successfully connected. So now we will click import latest executor, and guys, if you want, you can select the scripts that you like from this list to get imported with your Delta. So I will go with overflow, NICUs, and Solid Scout, for example. With this tree, click continue, guys, and it will start connecting to the API. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay updated. And look at this, API request success and our build is ready. Our keys there as well. Nice, guys. There's scripts, nice. And now we will have to click verify and complete now, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. Just click this, guys, and let's wait a little bit so we see what we'll get. And look at this imported, guys, Delta Executor, our user account, our scripts and our key. Look at this, it's fully revealed. There we go. Let me just click copy key and now we will open our Roblox to see are we actually getting our Delta Executor imported. So guys, if you're doing it for the first time, or if you're detected as a bot, you might be asked to complete a simple bot verification. So guys, just go and complete 2 tasks from the list that you will get. Don't worry, because it's all free and safe and it takes only 2 minutes to complete 2 tasks. So just complete it and you will get your imported message with your username, your script selected and your unique key generated. So let's open our Roblox now and let's see, are we actually getting our Delta Executor imported. Okay, so let me scroll down below, blocks fruits, let's click play, guys, and let's just make sure that it actually works. Okay, so oh my god, guys, look at this, we actually got our Delta Executor working. Let me paste our key, guys, and let's see is it working. So let's click continue and boom, guys, we got our working Delta Executor, literally latest. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited because it actually worked. After testing a lot of websites, it was the only working one. Now you can go, guys, there and search for scripts that you like. For example, let's search blocks Fritz and look at this. Look how many scripts you have. You can do whatever you like, guys. You can go execute. Some of them require keys, some of them are free, and look at this, guys, it works amazing. So that's pretty much it, guys, for this review. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you want to remove this Delta Executor, just make sure to reinstall your Roblox, and that's pretty much it. So thank you so much, guys, for watching and see you in the next video.